Among the methods of automotive energy saving, such as power batteries, vehicle lightweighting is at the top of the list with a 46% energy saving ability. Do you know how many moves the automotive manufacturing industry got in order to reduce the vehicle weight? First move, lightweighting of materials. Compared to normal steel, high-strength steel can do a weight reduction of about 30%, with the features of tensile and flexural resistance and high performance. 1 kilogram of aluminium can replace 2.25 kilograms of steel, and the aluminium structure is also designed to reduce weight. Therefore, the overall weight reduction is greater than 50%. Metal and non-metal materials such as high-strength steels, aluminium alloys, magnesium alloys, and carbon fiber materials are all star-level lightweight materials. The second move, craft lightweighting. The use of high-strength steel after heat forming can effectively reduce the number of parts, reduce the sheet metal thickness, and achieve 3 to 4 times the strength of ordinary steel. Third move, lightweighting of the chassis. In alternative energy vehicles, the weight of the battery system accounts for more than 20% of the vehicle and requires the integration of a variety of welding methods to complete the material assembly, posing a new challenge to automotive manufacturing. In the manufacture of cardboard chassis, HGTECH has the magic trick. The advantages of high energy, speed, and accuracy of laser processing are fully exploited to meet the manufacturing needs of high flexibility and allow smooth weight reduction and customized processing of alternative energy vehicles.